So there's an approaching train coming by soon. I can hear it. My parents are in Kroger right now, so hopefully they're not done yet, because I am planning on filming all this. I'm not a train enthusiast, but I am interested in them, kinda. I wouldn't consider myself a train enthusiast. Can I roll the window up? Oh, damn it, I can't. I have a dog in here with me. Can't see her. I have a dog in here with me. Hopefully, it doesn't bother her too much. Maybe I can open up the door. It's coming from down there. I can hear it. You hear that, peeps? There. Actually, let's leave this thing open. Alright, well, it's time. I have no idea which way this is coming from. Oh, there it is. You know, I'm getting out. No thinking. Well, man, that actually lasted a pretty short time, you know? Like, my parents are still in the store. I would imagine them coming out during the middle of it. It's kind of weird. But yeah, like, there's that. It's been such a long time since I was able to film a train. And frankly, haven't really been uploading all the train videos I have. Like, I have some, but I never uploaded them for some reason. I don't think. So, yeah, like, see y'all later. Bye.